Hello everyone and welcome to the Pinoy Tech Tips channel. Want to make your Samsung Galaxy S26 run smoother, last longer on a single charge, and stay in top condition? In this video, I'll show you the most important device care settings you should check and adjust for better battery life, improved performance, smarter storage management, and overall system optimization. Stick around until the end for a bonus setting that can help reduce annoying ads and keep your phone running more efficiently. Let's get started. To begin, swipe up from the bottom of the home screen to open the apps screen, then tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Device Care. This is Samsung's built-in maintenance hub where you can monitor and manage your battery, storage, memory, performance, software updates, diagnostics, and other system optimization features. Let's start with battery. Tap Battery to view detailed information about your phone's battery usage. Here, you'll see how much battery power each app has consumed throughout the day. You can review battery consumption over a specific time period and identify apps that are using an unusually high amount of power. While you're in the battery menu, you'll also find several built-in battery optimization tools, including power saving mode, background usage limits, battery protection, charging settings, and more. Let's start with power saving mode. Tap Power Saving, then turn on the switch to enable it. You can choose between Standard Power Saving and Maximum Power Saving. Standard Power Saving reduces background network activity, synchronization, location checks, and certain visual effects to help extend battery life while maintaining normal usability. Maximum Power Saving takes things further by limiting background activities, notifications, and available apps to maximize battery endurance during critical situations. If you want your phone to manage this automatically, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and select Adaptive Power Saving. Turn on the switch so your Galaxy S26 can automatically enable or disable power saving mode based on your usage habits. Next, let's look at background usage limits. Return to the battery menu and tap Background Usage Limits. This feature helps reduce battery drain from apps you rarely use. You can organize apps into different categories including sleeping apps, deep sleeping apps, never auto sleeping apps, and unused apps. Sleeping apps can still run occasionally in the background. Deep sleeping apps are heavily restricted and only run when you open them manually. Never auto sleeping apps are excluded from Samsung's battery management system and are allowed to operate normally. If you tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, you'll also find Adaptive Battery. Turn it on to allow your device to learn your usage patterns and automatically allocate battery resources more efficiently. Now let's configure battery protection. Return to the battery menu and tap Battery Protection. Turn on the switch to enable the feature. Battery protection helps reduce long-term battery wear caused by keeping your phone fully charged for extended periods. You can choose between basic and maximum protection. With basic protection enabled, charging pauses at 100% and resumes once the battery level drops to approximately 95%. With maximum protection enabled, charging stops at your chosen battery level between 80 and 95%. If you typically keep your phone plugged in overnight, maximum protection is highly recommended for extending overall battery lifespan. Next, tap Charging Settings. Here, you can configure several charging-related options, including fast charging, fast wireless charging, and charging information display. Enable the features that best match your needs. Fast charging allows your Galaxy S26 to charge significantly faster when using a compatible charger. Fast wireless charging provides similar benefits when using supported wireless charging accessories. You'll also find options such as wireless power sharing and auto dim screen. Wireless power sharing allows your phone to charge compatible devices wirelessly using its own battery. Auto dim screen helps reduce battery consumption when the screen is left inactive. Once you're satisfied with your battery settings, return to the Device Care menu and tap Storage. This section shows how your phone's storage is being used across apps, photos, videos, documents, and system files. Review the available and used storage space. If storage is running low, Samsung will often provide recommendations to help free up space. These recommendations may include deleting duplicate files, removing large downloads, clearing recycle bins, and uninstalling unused applications. Follow the on-screen suggestions if you need additional storage. Keeping adequate free storage space can help improve overall system responsiveness and reduce app slowdowns. Next, let's check memory. Return to Device Care and tap Memory. Wait a few moments while your phone analyzes memory usage. Once the scan is complete, you'll see recommendations for freeing RAM by closing background apps and optimizing memory allocation. This can be especially helpful if you frequently multitask or notice occasional lag. While you're here, you can also access app protection. Tap App Protection, then tap Scan Phone. Samsung and McAfee will scan your device for malware, suspicious activity, and potential security threats. Running periodic scans can help ensure your phone remains secure and performs reliably. Now let's move on to Performance Profile. Return to Device Care and tap Performance Profile. You'll typically see two options, Standard and Light. Standard delivers the recommended balance between speed, battery life, and cooling performance. Light Profile prioritizes battery efficiency and lower operating temperatures over maximum processing performance. For most users, Light Profile is a great option because it can improve battery life without noticeably affecting everyday tasks. Keep in mind that this setting does not affect gaming performance. Next, let's configure Auto Optimization. Return to Device Care and tap Auto Optimization. This feature allows your phone to automatically maintain itself with minimal user intervention. Tap Auto Restart. You can choose Restart when needed or Restart on schedule. Restart when needed allows the phone to automatically restart whenever system performance issues are detected. Restart on schedule lets you select specific days and times for automatic restarts. Scheduling a restart once a week can help maintain smooth performance and clear temporary system processes. Now let's check for software updates. Return to Device Care and tap Software Update. Wait while your Galaxy S26 searches for available updates. If your phone is already running the latest software version, you'll see a confirmation message. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Another useful Device Care feature is Diagnostics. Return to the Device Care menu and tap Diagnostics. From here, you can run various tests to check the health of your device. Available tests may include battery diagnostics, app safety diagnostics, hardware checks, and overall phone diagnostics. Allow the tests to complete and review any recommendations provided afterward. If you ever need to send your phone in for repairs, you'll want to know about Maintenance Mode. Tap Maintenance Mode and follow the setup instructions. When enabled, Maintenance Mode protects your personal data while allowing technicians to access only the parts of the device necessary for repairs and testing. Your photos, messages, accounts, and other personal information remain hidden until Maintenance Mode is turned off. Now for the bonus tip. From the Device Care screen, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and select Settings. Here, you'll find additional device care options that many users never explore. One particularly useful feature is intelligent blocking. When enabled, your phone analyzes incoming alerts and notifications to identify excessive advertising content and reduce unwanted interruptions. You'll also find options to show or hide device care on the app screen, manage notification preferences, and configure other maintenance-related settings. Taking a few minutes to review these settings can help you get even more value from device care. And that's all there is to it. By properly configuring these device care settings, you can improve battery life, reduce storage clutter, optimize memory usage, enhance performance, and keep your Samsung Galaxy S26 running at its best. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Samsung Galaxy S26 tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.